Okay na, next time na.
Okay, here we are in Costco, Ottawa with Manang Susan, who is a graduate from Good Samaritan College, 1976, College of Nursing, now in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, the capital city of Canada. Okay, Manang Susan, please greet our kabagis, kamag-anak,
Okay,
kakabsat in Tuguegarao City.
Binabati ko yung mga kamag-anak ko sa Fernandez family. Hello, kumusta na po kayo dyan?
Opo, 1993 po, nasa Canada na, proven na maganda ang buhay sa Canada, pero mahirap, huwag ka lang mamimili sa trabaho.
Yeah.
Opo. And please, encourage them to come to Canada or kung maganda na buhay, mag-stay na sa Philippines.
Oh, wow, kung nandito, lahat kasi dito may opportunity. Pero nandito ka na, eh ano mo na, post mo na.
Opo.
Kasi nakakatulong din kahit pa paano.
How many more years to retire or retireable na tayo?
Oh, hindi pa. Mga ano pa, 5 years pa.
O, 5 years to go. Si Manang Susan from Tuguegarao City. Nice meeting you and have a great day po. Bye-bye. Kuya Romel Toronto viewers po. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, Kuya Romel Toronto viewers, we are now here in Costco, Ottawa, and I would like to introduce to you our kababayan from Tuguegarao City, nag-aral sa Cabanatuan City, Good Samaritan College, 1976 batch, College of Nursing. Okay po, ito po, go ahead. Manang, in Itawis or Ibanagor, Ilocano, batiin niyo po, greet ang mga kababayan from Cagayan, Tuguegarao City.
Tuguegarao, pinukumusta ko yung mga kamag-anak ko da, pamilya ko, kumusta